In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look at Steam purchase history 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a full record of your transactions on Steam, including what you bought, when you bought it, how much you spent, and which payment method was used. Start by opening Steam. You can use the desktop app or visit the Steam website in your browser, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed into the account that actually made the purchases you want to review. If you use multiple accounts, it's easy to accidentally check the wrong one, so take a quick moment to confirm the username shown after you log in. On the desktop app, the interface and navigation are nearly identical to the website, so the steps will feel familiar either way. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your username there. Click it to open a small menu. From that menu, select Account Details. This page is the hub for your personal and billing information within Steam. If your window is small and you don't immediately see your username, try maximizing the window or increasing the width so the account menu appears. On the Account Details page, find and click View Purchase History. This takes you to a chronological list of your Steam transactions. Here, you'll see each item you've purchased, the date of the transaction, the amount charged in your local currency, and the payment method used. Payment methods might show as Steam Wallet, a credit or debit card, or another supported option tied to your account. If you've ever added funds to your Steam Wallet, those top-ups will appear here as well. Refunds, if any, will show in the same list, making it easy to track reversals and adjustments. Take a moment to scan the list. It's useful for confirming that a recent game or DLC went through, checking the exact date of a purchase, or keeping an eye on your overall spending. The entries provide a clear paper trail you can reference for budgeting, subscription reminders, or tax and expense records where applicable. If something looks unfamiliar, first verify you're viewing the correct account and that your region and currency are what you expect. That's all there is to it. Open Steam and sign in, head to your account details from the top right username menu, then click View Purchase History to see a complete breakdown of your transactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly find the information you need whenever you need it.